Sunil Kothari has passed away. He is associated with which profession? Dance. Which governing body has recently collaborated with the UNDP India to launch India's first social impact bond? PCMC. Which state cabinet has approved Dharma Swatantra Bill 2020? MP. Which committee has recommended the National Common Mobility Card? Nandan Nilekani. Prakash Utsav is celebrated every year to commemorate the birth of which guru? Guru Nanak. Government has extended the tenure of K. Sivan as the chairman of which organization for a period of 1 year up to January 2022? ISRO. To augment electricity generation capacity, in which state the ADB has signed a $231 million loan? Assam. Which country's new rule permit drones to fly over people and at night in the country? USA. Who is the author of the book titled Vahana Masterclass? Alfredo Covelli. Which country has released a bill that would increase monitoring of civil society groups? Turkey. In how many states PM Modi laid the foundation stone for lighthouse projects? Six. Due to the storm Bella, which country has generated half of its power from wind? UK. Which institution has signed $10 million loan agreement with India to expand horticulture in Himachal Pradesh? ADB. Which state announced that it would include the history of Sikh gurus in school curriculum? Uttar Pradesh. Every year the World Braille Day is observed on which date? 4th January.